Oh.
Ooh.
Be something in it.
Oh, there's something in it.
Be something in it.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. Josh here, wife Brittany behind the camera. Thanks for watching the channel. You guys are doing really good for watching the channel. And if you haven't seen some of the other great videos, they've been doing really good. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have subscribed, give these videos a like. We appreciate you so much. It's small, $30. It wasn't bad. And it's got stuff, okay? Just stuff. Mystery tote in the bottom, okay? Just digging from the top. Very gross plush in that bag.
Yeah, yuck.
But look at this.
A little Scentsy buddy.
A little Scentsy buddy. Dumbo. Look what I saw hanging out here.
Oh, Zero.
Zero. Scentsy.
Oh, another Scentsy. Okay.
Huh.
Okay.
Are we on to something here? Because this looks like
That looks like a big Jack
a
Skellington.
big Jack.
Like really big. Oh my gosh.
Big Santa Jack.
Yeah, he's big.
We got
Just an alligator.
alligator. Great Wolf Lodge. Kate Spade.
Kate Spade. Okie dokie.
Needs a little bit of cleaning. Kate Spade
Alrighty
bag.
then.
Hey now. Yeah, we don't want none of that.
It says goodbye.
No, thank you. Hey, how about a Kate Spade bag?
Okay.
Right in the
And some Scentsy buddies. Not mad at it.
Build-A-Bear,
And a walrus.
SeaWorld. And we've got a military
Army
bag.
bag.
Felt like there was something. Halloween lights.
Halloween spider lights.
Okay,
Alright.
not bad for the first bag. Hey, look back there. Look at that fishing pole.
Ooh.
Yeah, but Case Logic. Oh man, Lenovo. It doesn't sound good.
Ooh.
It's sticky.
Yeah.
It's seen better days. What else do we have? Big tote bag. Looks like somebody's school bag.
Okay.
Hey, them cool pins.
Some nice pins.
They were Seahawks fans. Is that is a Scentsy?
A Scentsy. Some of those do well.
Oh, there's one of those. They've upgraded these now. These work with like Bluetooth and
Oh yeah, you can just
Wi-Fi.
upload them from
on
your
the app.
phone and
Another phone.
phone.
Another. Who knows? Anything else? Playing cards.
Protective case for a phone. Yep.
Yep. You know, I can't read, so I'm just staring at words.
I think I see another phone down there too.
Yeah, a TCL phone. Yep,
Okay.
senior book. Did you leave some
Probably
money in
just
here?
memories.
Just seeing if there was any money. Just seeing. And some push pins and screws. But hey, couple phones. I mean,
Okay.
$30 unit.
Not bad already.
It is cold. It's like one of the coldest days. I mean, we have ice in the background.
Yeah. I know, sorry if the camera's shaking. I'm like literally shivering.
Hey, fishing reel. Some lures. I don't want to put my hand in there.
Yeah, let's not
But
stab
there's
ourselves.
a scale, like a fish scale. Those are like, I want to try to grab one. They're pretty big lures. Yeah. This is the
Fishing tackle bag.
tackle bag.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a backpack. Ozark Trail. Yep.
Yep. They're
More fishing tackle. Yep. More lures, but hey, that's not a bad little bag. I feel like there's another compartment
no.
that I'm missing. No? Maybe not. Let's see.
Looks like maybe
Hallmark stories.
Yeah.
Yearbook.
yearbooks and photos.
Check every box though. There's one of these that we found silver coins, remember?
Sure.
That's like a little sewing pattern.
That's cute.
Thanks for unglooming me. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Tigger. Pooh.
Cute.
Yeah. Do you remember that unit? It was like pictures and then silver coins all the way
That's
down the
true.
bottom.
That's true.
So, you never know. Another box. Some kind of big blanket.
It's got the Mandalorian.
A baby Yoda blanket. Hey, somebody was a catcher.
Ooh.
I think this gloves were something.
It could be.
It looks pretty
really
good
could be.
quality.
The rest of their baseball gear.
Lots.
Oh
Of
yeah, the
baseball
whole get up.
And then just the sweatshirt underneath. You know, just to have it there. Mask. Oh, that might do something on a marketplace.
Maybe.
And then just some other regular clothes. Which one you want next? This one? Or that one? It's not a lot of choices.
There's not. Go ahead and
move
finish
the-
off the side.
The heater with the missing wheel. Let's see. That's a military sash.
Yeah. Oh.
We love fun. For fans, by fans.
Okay. Interesting.
Yoshi.
Yoshi backpack.
Backpack.
That's cool.
How to Train Your Dragon.
Yep. Build a bear.
Fans. I'm a fan of fans. You know why?
Why?
Because they're fans.
Oh.
That's why I'm a fan of fans.
Oh.
No, we do. Trying to make a dad joke. Couldn't think of nothing, but
I'm a fan of fans.
they'll sell at every yard sale. Seahawks hat. Video games or music?
Oh, I hope it's video games and mostly music.
We,
Okay, some Eminem.
Eminem, and then a movie.
Movies. So a little bit of everything.
Okay.
Yeah, we.
Monster Mayhem.
Okay, a little bit of
So
everything.
we'll have to look back through this. We also like to see what movies we need. We got 3 kids at home. Yeah. Road trips, they need DVDs.
Yep.
Hammer.
Hammer.
Added to the collection.
First aid kit. Could be good if it's unused.
I mean, this
Kind of
is
looks
good enough.
unused.
This needs to stay with me. In the last video, slice the finger open. Had to
That's so
use
right. You need to
a
put that in your
napkin
car.
and tape, an iron, a goblet. That thing's the candy dish.
Oh, okay. Diplomas.
Diplomas. Anything else in the bottom? Any mysteries? No. No. Another hat. Bass Pro Shop. A snow globe. Okay. So nothing much else in this box.
What's that?
I don't know. I was about to put it down and I was like, it's made out of metal.
Huh. It's interesting. Is it heavy?
Comment down below. Yeah.
Is it
It's not solid.
okay? Huh.
I don't know.
That's neat.
Nothing. I say that. See, if I just keep saying but nothing,
But nothing. That's 2 of them.
I'll find another one. Because I did see something else, and now I'm thinking
Okay. Gotta go back.
there was a. Oh, right here. Did they have all this set up
Oh, okay.
together? Because that's marble.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's not resin. Dun dun dun. This is like got all kinds of hidden surprises. Care Bears.
Yep.
I think
Modern
there's another
ones are
one.
cute. Oh, cute.
Yeah.
Could love those together.
Cute. Oh, this was cool.
Oh, I like that.
All the moons.
I like that.
We got
Kitchen stuff?
everybody's cable box. We got kitchen. We got
Another one.
Dell Chromebook. Nice. Another
Another Chromebook.
Chromebook. I
They're
think
taking
those are
them
the
from
ones
school.
from the school.
Like, they're taking those
They
from
never
school.
turned them back in. And a bunch of photos.
Yep.
Nothing
Okay.
else. A couple laptops. They definitely played some sports still.
Helmet.
Helmet.
Pretty faded.
But check out the other glove.
Oh, not the glove.
Gloves are one of those things that it's like $5 or $50.
Yeah.
And then slide pants,
Yeah.
little stuff. Look at him.
A little sloth.
Another
Scentsy.
Scentsy buddy. Yeah, a little sloth.
Yeah. Give him a little cleaning and
Oh, the dreaded.
kitchen or bathroom? Kitchen.
That kitchen. Anything interesting in here?
Cup.
Amazon.
Susie cakes. A little cupcake cake stand stuff.
Yep. Cupcake stand. Tumblers. Amazon.
Yep.
There you go. More tumblers. Blankets.
That's probably a Scentsy too, babe.
You think so?
Yep, a little clip on. He's got the look.
Right there.
Yep.
Look at you. That's a weighted blanket.
Oh, okay.
I was like, this thing is heavy.
Heavy.
Yep. Weighted blanket. Another blanket here. The dog.
Another Scentsy? No?
No.
Just a little.
Ha
It's like a bag of blanket.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Old patchwork blanket. That's before boot stuff.
Okay, so is it like old
go to-
childhood stuff?
Did they go to boot?
Boot camp?
Did they go to boot camp? And this is like video games, you know.
That would
He collected
be...
the vintage comic books and
Sure.
Ninja Turtle toys, even though I don't think he was that old. But
No. Oh my.
clowns. Okay.
That's a really big clown with a broken
He's
foot.
got a broken foot. That's a clown.
Wow. What?
We do have a wooden box. I don't know what's in it. You got this weird thing.
Yep, that looks newer. So what is
Home
that?
Deck.
So this stuff doesn't look that old.
Astrology. No, I mean the high school stuff said 2023. I think they've recently went
Ah.
to boot camp and somebody just stopped paying on this stuff. Celebrate every day. Little journal. Yep, tarot reading.
Is that a record
then-
player?
Record player. What record is this?
That's is that Rocky Horror Picture Show?
It might be. Yeah, a newer one. Huh.
Be something in it.
Oh, there's something in it.
Be something in it.
Okay. Drawings, pictures, another
Oh.
personal device that
Okay,
will
be
blur out.
careful, don't touch. Gross.
You know, I'll use some paper to get it out.
Oh gosh.
But look under here. Oh, I don't think it's silver.
Mm.
No, nothing else. A dime. We found one coin in this whole thing.
Wowzers.
Not the treasure we were quite expecting.
No.
So I'm guessing it's a girl.
Well, when you were saying him, I was like, I don't think this is a him.
No, but hey, we found. How did I miss this?
You just kind of moved it over.
Oh,
Is that a Monster High doll?
maybe. But she's got like bendy legs.
Some of them did, didn't they?
I don't know.
It might be Monster High.
It might be.
Well, Five Nights
Five
at
Nights
Freddy's
at Freddy's
Funko.
Funko Pop. Yep, and then just some little like odds and ends. I don't know. I don't know what that one is. Make sure that doesn't go with it.
Yeah, she might be a Monster High.
Oh, 30 bucks.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
30 bucks. Got some interesting stuff.
Yeah, a couple of plushes and
Some Scentsy stuff. Some gloves to check on. I think no matter what, we got our $30 worth.
for sure.
But not bad. Fun little unit. Once again, thanks guys for watching. You guys have been really helping the channel out. Every comment helps. Giving them a like, sharing the videos. Let people know what we do. We're just a fun family of 5, you know, whatnot. If you got stuff that you see, contact us, Instagram, however you need to, drop a comment. We don't mind giving you a good deal, okay? That's what we do. A huge shout out right there in the comments to my wife, standing out here in the freezing cold, shaking the camera the whole time.
I hope it's not shaking too bad.
Thanks, we love you guys. Have a good one. See you in the next video.